Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the theme of an article in Instapaper. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on an article, and after that look in the top of your right corner. There you will find a double A letter. You can just press on it, and here you can just change the theme of an article. You can see right now that there is a white theme applied, but you can also change it to these colors here as well, and you can just leave it on the color that you prefer. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.